Okay. So today, okay, Andrew. Professor Andrew, I need to tell you something.
Yes.
We're gonna okay, since we've been working for so long discovering the Jurassic about like 5,000 years ago or whatever, how long ago, about the dinosaurs and stuff, you wanna have a break?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, let's go in the helicopter. Let's just keep flying it. Oh yeah, this is also our professor, Lola.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's one of our workers. She's gonna stay here to monitor the Monosaurus. We're just gonna be flying the helicopter around the Monosaurus to monitor him, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh shoot.
How smooth. How smooth.
Oh.
Look at this beauty.
I know. It's so big. Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Dude, you're about to fall. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh no, he fell in the water. Oh my god. I have to stop here. Oh my god, I crashed the helicopter in the water. I can't let the Monosaurus see me. Andrew? Professor Andrew?
Oh my god.
Come over here. Dude, this is so scary.
Yeah.
Let me fix the helicopter. If the Monosaurus sees us, he might eat us. Oh shoot. Okay, I fixed it. We can go in now.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I think it's Noah. What are you doing? It touched it. I'm drowning.
The helicopter. It's out of control. We can't move it.
Oh no.
I have to refix the engine. I remember we had another helicopter engine in here, okay? Don't panic, Andrew. Just don't let him look in our eyes. If he sees us, that means we're dead.
Yeah, or we eat us whole.
Okay, I'm putting another engine in. Okay. Okay. Get in.
Okay.
Okay. We're back at the lab. Let's get out. Ugh. But okay, this Professor Lola.
Yes.
I need her to pass me the bottle because she has gloves on. I don't know the gloves are. Okay, she gave me it. Okay. I have to dump. We're gonna be experimenting something. I'm gonna dump this on the fish. So basically, in our next experiment, we're gonna poison a fish, and we're gonna poison a fish, and we're gonna try to use it on something else. Basically, we're gonna poison a fish, and we're gonna put it in the Monosaurus, and then we're gonna see the Monosaurus its digestive system and all that stuff.
But
won't die. The Monosaurus, I'm pretty sure we dumped chemicals in his body, so it's like acid proof.
So,
Yeah, it won't die. Okay, shoot. Oh, okay. No, actually, yeah. I'm just gonna monitor it over here. Okay. After monitoring it, I think the repair station are gonna repair one crack. There's a crack in the Monosaurus. It's around here. Okay, I opened up the cage. I can see the Monosaurus now. I repeat, I can see it now. I opened up the cage. Do you see it? Do you see that beauty?
yeah.
Wait. I can't put the cage back up. What's happening? Wait, let me go back. Let me press the button. It can escape if I don't put it back up. Because I opened this wall. Oh shoot. I can't. I guess we have to do something. Okay.
Yeah, oh no. Close it quick.
I can't. No. Oh shoot. I have to close. I can't close it. Oh no, it's looking straight at me. No!